A box contains 16 cards, numbered using the odd integers from -15 to 15 inclusive. If 3 cards are selected at random and with replacement from the box, what's the probability that the product of the 3 numbers on the card selected from the box will be positive? Well, here it's interesting. We're supposed to calculate the probability that the product of 3 numbers, 3 cards selected, is positive. So it's basically saying the probability that the number in card A multiplied by the number in card B multiplied by the number in card C is positive. But what is this situation equivalent to? Getting a product of 3 numbers positive depends more on the sign of the numbers rather than on the actual values. We just need the signs, because the situation is the same as calculating the probability of getting at random 3 positive numbers from the box, 3 positive cards, or getting 2 negative cards and 1 positive card. These are the only possibilities for getting a product of 3 numbers positive. Consider this OR. So one or the other may happen, but not the 2 at the same time. So we actually have 2 probabilities to be summed. And we can calculate the 2 probabilities and sum them together. What's the probability of getting 3 positive cards? Consider this information. There are 16 cards, and they are numbered using the odd integers from -15 to 15. Yeah, it's easy to see that here there are totally 16 odd integers, right? Counting from -15 to 15, if you remember your formula for the number of elements in an arithmetic sequence, you would just do this. The max term minus the minimum divided by the step or common difference, which is for odd integers 2, and then plus 1. So you have 30/2, 15 plus 1 equals 16. So there are 16 odd integers, half of them are negative and half of them are positive. So if there are an equal number of positive and negative cards, then the probability of getting 1 positive card is always 1/2. So we multiply the 3 probabilities. Remember that 3 letters alike can be ordered in just one single manner. So we multiply just by 1. While here, on the other hand, the probability of getting 2 negatives and 1 positive is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. But we need to multiply by the number of ways in which the letters can be rearranged. 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 1 factorial. Okay, so this is simply 3. So we have 1/8 plus 3/8, which is 4/8 or 1/2. That's the correct answer choice.